Okay, folks, happy St. Patrick's Day! Today we're going to be doing a Shamrock. Now, a Shamrock is a sweet Manhattan with a dash of angostura and a teaspoonful of Creme de Menthe. So, we're going to look up Sweet Manhattan. Now, a Sweet Manhattan is 1 part Italian vermouth, Sweet Vermouth, 2 parts whiskey, and then finally 1 teaspoon of Creme de Menthe. Oof. Oh my god!
Boy. Oh, it stinks.
This is a problem. Next we're going to put some ice on this. Or in this. Put the ice in. You gotta get real jiggly with it. Angostura is the next part to each drink. I'm gonna see if I can make 2 martinis with this recipe. Whoa. Sludgy boy. Nah, that's just 1. It's a perfect single. That is a pretty drink. We're gonna do 1 little tiny sippy boy. This is the Shamrock Sans Bitters.
Oh, it's terrible anyway.
I don't mind it. I actually don't mind it. That one's pretty...
Ugh.
For a martini style drink, it's pretty good. It also looks like toxic waste, so that's kind of fun if you were to order it somewhere.
St. Patrick's Day.
For St. Patrick's Day. Better than green beer in my opinion. So now, we're gonna ruin it. Come back.
Oh, God.
You already hated it. Worse?
Obviously. Mint and orange mixed together is vomit.
Holy crap, it's so much worse. And that's like, I didn't even add that much. It's a pretty alright drink in my opinion without the angostura. I would definitely skip that part if you have the choice. This is still okay in my opinion. It's manageable, but not good. But if you want a good drink, just skip the angostura. And then, have yourselves a merry little St. Patrick's Day. I think this is the first one in 3 years that we've done specifically for St. Patrick's Day, so...
That's right.
It's pretty cool. We're cool.
The Shamrock!
The Shamrock! I'm hoping maybe there will be like flying shamrocks or something. We'll see if I have the gumption to edit that in.